How to turn off a Samsung phone without the touchscreen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your Samsung phone without having to use the touchscreen or even have the screen working. So if your screen isn't working for some reason, you'll be able to turn off your phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to do this, we're going to be doing two different button combinations on our Samsung phone. The first will be the power button and the volume down button. And then as soon as the display turns off, we're going to be holding the power button and the volume up button. So I'll go ahead and do that. We're going to first hold the power button and the volume down button for 30 seconds until the screen turns off. Just keep holding it. The screen turned off. Now hold the power button and the volume up button. And we'll see a fast boot menu come up. Just keep holding it until the menu comes up. Again, that is the power button and the volume up button. All right, so now we see Android recovery, and all we need to do is use the volume buttons to navigate through this menu until we get to power off. Now, if your display is not working, once you felt the vibration of the recovery menu showing up, hit the volume up button twice, and then hit the power button once we're on power off, and then your phone will turn off. All right, so that's how you turn off a Samsung phone without the touchscreen. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.